Hang on now. Yeah, I think you need to light me.
The passing of the torch. Just a smoke bomb. God damn.
They were pretty good, ain't they? All right, guys. So we're going to take a little channel road trip minus Chris because he is disabled. I forgot my drink. Hang on. We are going to take a road trip. I'm so stoked at what we're getting today. We got about a 2-hour drive, but it is 100. Get down. Look at this boy. Get down. Buddy, get down. Boy, you better listen. Get down, boy. Get down. You don't listen. But he got right back up. Freaking turd burglar. It's because mama's going. He's got to follow mama.
Well, we got a new record today.
Ooh, what's the new record?
1,075.
1,075 new COVID cases today. Woo! Well, we're picking up a very important part for the truck today. Very mucho important. I gotta say, like, I'm pretty proud of this part. Like, I feel like this, besides maybe the wrap, this is like one of the most, like, big pieces of the truck. Like, it's really gonna, I feel. The drop.
The drop.
Yeah. Between, yeah, this is just really gonna set the truck off and complete the look. And it's one of the most expensive items I've ever purchased for it, you know, yeah, that's the most expensive thing I have ever bought for a vehicle. It's the first of this thing that I've ever bought for a vehicle. And yeah. So the homie CJ, he knows who he is, set me up with this guy, and he had a really good deal on these things. And we're gonna go pick them up. And luckily it worked out that the day they showed up was the day that I'm off. So, and James is off, and good old Ashley's going with us. She's happy to get out of the house, see some different scenery. So we're gonna head eastbound and down, and show you guys what we're gonna go pick up. Stay tuned. You already know we had to get some Chick-fil-A. We made it like, what, 10 minutes, 15 minutes? We already stopped and got food. Filling up the truck. Thirsty hoe. Taking Chris's truck. The old Bill Barado. Any OG Taco fans in here? Shout out to the homie OG Taco. Some of the first couple hundred fans, subscribers that I have are from OG Taco, so shout out to him. Yeah, we're getting some gas, filling up here in town so we can get going, and then we'll be hitting the road. And it's actually not 2 hours away, it's like an hour and a half. I don't know why I thought it was 2 hours away. I think it's because when I looked it up on maps, I was at work on the west side of town, and now that we're over here at home, I live like an hour away from where I normally am at work. So that's where that extra hour came from. So actually not that long of a trip, but James says I need some sweet and spicy sriracha in my life, so we'll see. He gets the spicy chicken sandwiches and then puts sweet and spicy sriracha on it, so this man likes spice, but he won't eat my hot sauce. But yeah, let's get on the road. right, guys, so we got the rims picked up. This is Angel from Las Vegas Tire here in Chakotah, Oklahoma. It's a little bit out of the city, but he's got the best deals. I've had several friends recommended him, said, hey, you need to hit Angel up. He's got the best deals. And by far, I mean, I checked a couple things, and you definitely had him beat by a couple $100 at least.
Try to hook everybody up, but we can't.
You can get a hold of all like the big rim stuff, right?
Yeah,
like Forces, Billets.
From anywhere from like 13 to 28s, 30s, we've done them all.
So Angels, you need to hit up. I'm gonna link their store, their location, his name. That way you guys can hit him up and get a quote from him. Make sure he's got what you need, and he'll get you hooked up. So as for us, we got the rims. They look sweet. They're 10 and a halves in the back.
Yeah, I think they're 20 by 10s and 8 and a halves in the front.
And then 8 and a halves in the front. So we won't have any problem with rubbing or anything. Got some nice meats on there. We're looking good. So this will allow us to move forward with the build. Now we have tires that will fit inside of the bed, so we can finish the drop, get the bed on, and keep moving forward on the build. And hopefully we got, what, 2.5 weeks now? So hopefully it'll all come together. So all right, guys, we'll see you back in the city. Dude, I'm so stoked. Shout out to Angel and his little brother Hugo and the whole crew at Las Vegas Tire Shop out in Chakotah, Oklahoma. We finally got home. They hooked it up. He got these for me. He was about the only place in town that, or well, he ain't in town, but he was the only place around local that had a lot of really good reviews, and he had the best deal, and he could get them here the fastest by about 2 weeks. So shout out to them, Angel and his crew. He hooked it up, gave me a really good price, hooked it up with some swag, got us some really dope keychains. I'm stoked to have these. They look sick, and it'd be awesome to have on the keychains on some of the vehicles. He gave us some of those, hooked it up on a couple shirts. We also got some lug nuts from him, some basic ones, but I don't care because you ain't staring at the lug nuts while you're going 60 miles an hour down the highway. So he hooked me up with what he had, and I'm super grateful for that. Great dude to deal with, communicated very well. He was super timely about everything, so can't say enough good about him. We will be seeing him again. Say if we ever talk Chris into upgrading on the 2015 here, probably get some new rims for him. Whenever we get to the dually, get some rims for the dually. Whenever we get James's 54 going, we'll get some rims for him. And supposedly he can get a hold of some race tires too, so might hit him up when we get to the Rabbit. So that's gonna be it for this video. I know it's a little shorter, but I just feel like this was too big of a deal to not just make a separate video about it, so you guys can check out what kind of rims we got. They are, I think he said 10.5s or 10s in the back, and then they're 8.5 wide in the front. They're 20s, so got some crosswind tires on them. So they're 245 20s up front, and then 275 20s in the back. So should ride pretty dang good. Got enough little meat on the tire to keep us riding smooth, and they should look great with the drop. So once again, shout out to Las Vegas Tire Shop and CJ, the homie CJ. He's the one that put me onto them, really. So that's it for this one, guys. I hope you enjoyed seeing a little bit different of a video, a little bit shorter video. And if y'all haven't already, go back and check out the last video where we pretty much got the truck running. And if you haven't, please subscribe. If you'd like to keep up with the build, go back and watch the older videos to get caught up. Please leave a comment. Let me know what you think about the rims. Like the video. And follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, TikTok, wherever you want to see some different content. I post different things on different platforms. So if you want to see some different angles of my life, check out those accounts. All the links are down below in the description of the video. And other than that, that's it for this one. Peace out. We'll see you later, guys.